Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is March the 21st, 2020, and this was our big lettuce bin last year. We also had bok choy in it, and I wanted to show you here some of this lettuce reseeded itself in the fall, and it made it through the winter. That's bok choy stem there with seed still in it. So he's sprinkling those out into the soil. And that's a bok choy plant there, that green one. And that's sprouting back out. And that's all lettuce there. That's little lettuce seedlings. And there's some bok choy seedlings mixed in with it. And it's really cold out. I mean, we had below 0 temperatures. And it's amazing that this stuff made it through, but it did. We were cleaning, the bins were getting cleaned out today, and we left this in for an early lettuce crop. Now this all seeded itself in the fall time. And it's pretty impressive and remarkable that came back and it's doing so well. It made it through all of the cold temps. Now we did have snow on it for some of the cold temps. The snow does work as an insulator to help insulate your stuff. But I just wanted to show this to you here. And I'm actually blowing steam because of how cold it is out. So we're getting our lettuce stuff planted. We're trying for some early crops. We do have stuff growing in the greenhouse. We're trying to get our stuff planted so we have our food to eat. And we're trying to get self-sufficient with this stuff that's going on. Now, you can, if you have plastic, make like a hoop house sort of over this. And you can get your early crops started of your lettuce, your bok choy, spinach, kale. Those are all cool season stuff. Your cabbage is a cold season. Your broccoli and Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, that's cool season. So we're gardening here in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B. And we did get some lettuce seeds and stuff planted today. I do have videos on my channel for how we start our lettuce from seed out in our raised beds and bins. So you can check those out. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell us to put new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.